We're talking about storm response and a review of the storm response from the city of Buffalo yesterday during the city council meeting. Council members putting forth a variety of suggestions, resolutions to closely examine and perhaps even revise some of the city's storm response protocols. They had the backing of firefighters and union leaders with serious questions about the condition of the fire department's vehicle fleet and equipment, again with the ideas of an inventory assessment, replacements, and the establishment perhaps of an emergency management position for the city. And today, with the council's police advisory panel, it was the Buffalo Police Department brass responding to council members on what went right and what went wrong during the blizzard. As has been noted, during the height of the blizzard with zero visibility, BPD officers unable to respond at times to the hundreds of calls for rescues and emergencies coming in, even though Commissioner Joseph Cremalia said operations were never totally suspended, as some other county officials had claimed. He says when police vehicles got stuck, officers on foot even carrying people to shelter, including to some district police stations. And the subject of adequate or additional staffing was raised in an exchange between Councilman Rashid N.C. Wyatt and the police commissioner.
Knowing what you know now, would it have been helpful to have additional staff there to assist with everything?
I don't know that really would have come into play. We were staffed at our minimum manpower. It gets into some, there are some issues when we order in additional staff. Having additional staff and not being able to get out in the brunt of that blizzard, this became a matter of life and death, of actually our officers being able to actually get out and do their function, and that became, impossible for not just the police, but, everybody as a whole.
There are also questions about stocking some police stations with emergency supplies for future storms and coordination with other city departments. Now, police department commanders did do their own assessment back on January 3rd about what happened during the storm, and they'll be turning over some of those details to City Council as it pursues its own inquiry. We'll have much more on this coming up at 5:30. I'm Ron Plants, Channel 2 News.
All right, Ron, thank you.